The fourth activity is the picking of branch nomination forms. The picking of branch nomination forms. Now, this is going to happen between the period 2nd to 16th of May. So that will be a 2-week activity, 2 weeks. Between 2nd of May to the 16th of May, individuals interested in running for positions at the branch level will be given room to pick nomination forms. Now, their responsibility for this is going to be, first and foremost, we are going to create what we call a possibility for some of it to be done, online. We're going to ensure that the Constituency Executive Committee is in charge of this activity in terms of responsibility. Now, supervision of this will be at the level of the Regional Executive Committee. So the Regional Executive Committee will ensure that this picking of branch nomination form is done. Sometimes these are periods where people with, should I call it, vested interests sometimes try to prevent other people from getting funds because they think if they use those mafia ways, they can prevent people from running and they can hold on to those positions, or just a few people they want to be. So we want to ensure that that doesn't happen. So in many situations, we're going to ensure that the means by which people want to prevent others from picking form will deny them that opportunity.